Hi, this is Mr. Raisky, and I just wanted to go over the methods that were on our final exam back in December. I've already got them done for you, so I'll go through them really fast, and you can pause the video, of course, as necessary. The first one was Count ABC. Some students had this one, some students didn't. This was just like Count High, right? I think it was the first row of string 2 maybe in coding bat, something like that. But you had count high there, in which you looked for HI. Now we're looking for ABC. So you have to make sure not to go out of bounds. Okay. If ABC is at the end of the string, str, then it has to be, of course, in the last 3 positions. So you can't check after the third to last position. Make sense? You can't check after the third to last position. So if your string is XXX you can't go to the last 2 positions. It won't fit. A length 3 won't fit when you just have 2 positions left. Okay? So that's definitely an abstract concept and tough for a lot of us to grab hold on to. Okay? So that's why the control is what it is. And then the length of ABC is 3, so that's why that's I plus 3. And then the equals method is also a challenge for some kids. Okay, the alternate string method, if you didn't have count ABC, you had alternate string, and you had to realize that both the strings have identical length. So many students did not realize, did not read the directions carefully, and see where it said identical length. And so we had lots of crazy ifs on this one by students. But it looks so clean and looks really easy if you read the directions. But you guys that had ifs on your paper know what I mean. It was a lot more code. And it probably didn't work. 2 as 1, you want to see if the sum of 2 of these guys is equal to the third one. So it could be A and B equaling C, or A and C equaling B, or B and C equaling A. This is a really clean solution. Please take a look at that. Last digits, you modulus by 10 to get the last digit. Nothing else is required. So many students, not so many students, but a few students divided by 100, divided by 10, did other stuff too. And it may have worked, it was just extra code. So modulus by 10 always gives you the ones digit. 0 modulus 10 is 0, 5 modulus 10 is 5, 25 modulus 10 is 5, and so on. It always works. No middle, it says you're getting an array of length 5. So nums has a length of 5. You want to make an array of size 4 that contains the first 2 and last 2 values in nums. The first 2 values are in position 0 and 1, and since you're guaranteed its length 5, the last 2 values are in position 3 and 4. Okay, so that checked your ability to create an array and return an array, and in the middle of that you had to initialize things. Middle way. Okay, you're guaranteed now that both these guys have an odd length. Okay, and so if the length is 3, you with me? If the length is 3 and you want the middle position, that's position 1, 3 divided by 2, thanks to truncation, is 1. If the length is 17, the middle position is 17 over 2, 8. No matter what it is, just divide by 2 and you got the middle position. Quite a few kids added 1 here, and that's not the middle position. But besides that, it's quite similar to no middle, and there's that one. Least value index, you're looking for the index position that contains the smallest value. You're not looking for the smallest value to return. I mean, you got to find it. You'll check the values, but you don't return the value. So some students returned nums of index, and they should have just returned index. Going down, Let's see, scroll down some more. Going down, classic question. You want to stop it if you ever find it not going down. Okay, so it's going down if nums of I is bigger than nums of I plus 1. It's not going down if nums of I is less than or equal to I plus 1. Okay, strictly decreasing order. And it gave you examples that showed you strictly decreasing orders. So that's those 8 questions from the final exam that were in your free response part. Thanks for watching.